project. We hope you enjoy our show. Once upon a time, there were three ladies. Did I mention they were green? These three green ladies decided it was time to go off on their own. So they said goodbye to each other and went off on their own. Goodbye. Good luck. Soon they all realized they would need a home. So they walked and walked and walked and walked until they found what they needed to build a home.
The first little pig found some chopped wood. Ooh, look at this. I will make my house of chopped wood. It will be strong. It will be safe. It will be the best house in the world.
The second little pig found some stone. Ooh, look what I found. I will make my house of stone. It will be strong and sturdy. It will be the best house in the world.
The third little pig found some ice blocks at the top of the mountain.
It's cold up here, but I will make my house out of ice. It will be strong and sturdy and fantastic, and it will be the best house in the world. The three were lovely little shacks, just what they needed.
The news that the three little pigs had set up housekeeping in the mountain soon came to the ears of a very extremely mean yellow angry bird.
He went to the home of the first bird and knocked at the door. Little pig, are you in?
Who's there?
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll swing back, dash forward, and I'll knock your house down.
And so, Yellow Bird, that was his name, swung back, let go, and catapulted across the sky and into the house of the first pig and knocked it down to pieces. The first pig screamed, "Ah!" and ran to the house of the second green pig.
Before long, Yellow Bird arrived at the home of the second little pig and knocked at the door. Little pig, are you in?
Who's there?
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll swing back, dash forward, and I'll knock your house down. And so Yellow Bird swung back, let go, and catapulted across the sky and into the house of the second pig and knocked it down to pieces. The two little pigs screamed
Ah!
and ran up the mountain to the house of the third pig. Before long, he arrived at the home of the third little pig and knocked on the door. Little pig, are you in?
There.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin.
Then I'll swing back, dash forward, and I'll knock your house down. And so, Yellow Bird swung back, let go, and catapulted across the sky and smacked themselves against the house. I'll try again. Yellow Bird swung back, let go, and catapulted across the sky and crashed against the house.